Namaste students, I am Dr. Komal Rathor, Assistant Professor, Department in Komar Bhratya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Students, today's session we will discuss about Panchkarma in pediatrics. So first of all, introduction. Panchkarma is an integral part of Chikitsa. Its practice was on full swing at the time when other medical science even not on the germination. As per our classics, it is the only method to cure the disease from its roots. So, Panchkarma process has efficiency to make equilibrium of dosha, which lead to insufficiency to get relapse again. So Panchkarma process is very important to equilibrium of doshas. This is the Panchkarma unit. In Panchkarma, according to Ashtang Hridaya, Sharirja Nam Dosha Nam Kramen Param Aushadham Basti Virek Vamanam तथा तेलम घृतम मधु. पंचकर्मा उपचार कर्म में यहाँ पे सबसे पहले इसमें जैसे कि बताया गया है वमन, विरेचन, बस्ती, रक्त मोक्षण एंड नस्य कर्म आते हैं. और उसी के साथ यहाँ पे रक्त मोक्षण बताया गया है ऊपर, जहाँ जलों का प्रयोग की गई है, शिरोधारा है, अग्नि कर्म है, नेत्र तर्पण, तक्रधारा, ये सभी पंचकर्मा उपचार के अंतर्गत आते हैं. लेकिन जब पंचकर्मा की बात की जाती है तो पंचकर्मा में सिर्फ 5 ही उपक्रम आते हैं: वमन, विरेचन, अकॉर्डिंग टू आचार्य चरक, बस्ती कर्म, फिर रक्त मोक्षण. लेकिन यहाँ अष्टांग हृदय की बात हो रही है तो वमन, विरेचन, नस्य, रक्त मोक्षण और विरेचन कर्म का प्रयोग किया गया है. अगेन जलोका थेरेपी, रक्त मोक्षण, जलोका थेरेपी से, फिर नेत्र तर्पण, बस कटी बस्ती, जानु बस्ती, ग्रीवा बस्ती, स्वेदन हेतु कक्ष, और ये पत्रपिंड और षष्टिशालिक पिंड कर्म. So again, continuous in Kashyap Samhita, Acharya Kashyap told that Basti is Amritam for the children. He wrote Kashyap Samhita to define the Komar Bhratya to Ayurvedic physician because it is very difficult Basti procedure in children. He has given full description of disease and management along with the Panchkarma in pediatrics. When baby take first breath, Acharya advised that baby should be undergoes the process of Garbhodak Vaman by the use of Sandhav and Ghrith. In other context, he told that those baby are vomiting with milk after breastfeeding never suffer with disease due to expulsion of excessive kapha dosha. So Panchkarma in children. The Panchkarma defined by all Acharya, but specification to the pediatrics age for Panchkarma procedure and has Amrit for baby told by Kashyap. So procedure allowed before Panchkarma is Purvakarma and after is known as Paschatkarma. So Panchkarmas before Purvakarma and after that Paschatkarma is necessary. So Purvakarma in pediatrics is Purvakarma including Deepan and Pachan. So the process of improving Agni has great importance in the normalization the body physiology. Agni is responsible for Bal, Varn and Ayu. In pediatrics case, we can use Musta, Ativisha, Trikattu, etc. medicine for Deepan Pachan process. And Snehan is very important for the making of doshas insoluble state by which they easily get orifices. In pediatric case, the Abhyang has great importance to make the baby snigdha as it helps myelinations of the nervous tissue because they are under the presence of myelination. Internal snehan is not needed in every cases because they are already snigged with their diet habitat as milk product and sweet items. If internal snehan is compulsions, then sneha parivicharna should be used. So again in Sweden, in this series, Snehan then Sweden. Sweden procedure elevate the stiffness of the body, relieve sense of heaviness, and cure feeling of cold is known as Sweden. It is of two types, Sagni and Niragni. In pediatrics cases, during Sweden process, proper care should be taken due to soft, delicate, and its developed Swedes gland. Acharya Kashyap told two specific sedation process, Hast and Patra Swed. By using this process, we can save the baby from complication as burn, fainting, black reddish patches on skin, trishna and jwar, etc. In children up to 4 months, Sweden by hand applicable, and after 6 years, Sweden by cloth is applicable. Children above 1 year, the Nadi Swed, Pind Swed, and Afghan Swed can be used. This is Nadi Swed above 1 year of children, and this is all Shashtishalik Pind Swed, and it's a Bash Swed. Pradhan Karm, including woman. First of all, woman is indicated in pediatrics just after as Garbhodak woman by using Vacha. Vacha is Acrus calamus and Senthav Churan. In Shirad baby, woman sadhya diseases, woman done by the apply Madanfal on nipple along with areola. Example, dose of Madanfal should not be more than that. Indications of woman is in baby above the age of 5 years. Kabal is more advisable in children as an alternative method of woman. Children, especially Shirad, vomit spontaneously even in the presence of small dosh dushti. Hence, they have required no force vomiting. The number of woman vega for expelling doshas in Kanishta 2 to 3, Madhyam Vega is 4 to 5 week, and Uttam Vega is 6 to 7. For children in place of 6, 7, 8 in adult respectively. So in children 2, 4 and 6, and in adult 4, 6 and 8. Vega necessary for woman. Virechan Karm. Generally, Virechan contraindicated in children. If needed, use as a last resort. All other measures falling to cure the disease. This procedure should be administered with extreme cautions as they lays a potent danger of dehydration, which the children's more prone to Mridu Virechan Oshad. As Trivrat Chaturungal can be logistically used. The weight of Virechan is 2, 3 and 4 in place of 10, 20 and 30 for adult. Kanishk, Madhya and Uttam respectively 2, 3 and 4. Basti can be used as alternative of Virechan. So Basti in general of all Shodhan Chikitsa, Basti is supreme as Amritam. The age of administration of Basti above 1 year of baby, it is very effectively in developing for baby as it developed paraneuron, gastroendopancreatic endocrine system, which stimulate the nervous system for better thriving. Nowadays, it is known as gut-brain system. It is also improved in many research work found to be aesthetically significant improvement in the case of cerebral palsy. This is the method. Matravasti at Shirbala Tel. The Niruvasti can cause the Karshan in children, which lead to poor development. So the Acharya Kashyap told the Anuvasan Basti, or Basti in which oil more than quantity of Kashyap should be used. To prevent complication of Basti, Chaturangul Kalp should be required. The addition of Gomutra in Basti leads to early emulsification oil in water and Srotoshodhan, which lead to better effect in children. So the quantity with respect to age of children is age 1 to 3, Basti Matra is 100 ml, and age 3 to 5 is 120 ml, and 5 to 8 is 250 ml, and 8 to 12 is 350 ml. Now come to the Nasya Karm. Administration of medicines through Nasya route, nasal route, is known as Nasya. So called by Acharya Kashyap, Nasahi Shirsho Dwaram. So all the disease related to head is the best treatment by this procedure. Kashyap told Nasyam two types, Shodhan and Puran. So the indication of Nasya is 8 to 80 years. Pratimarsh Nasya can be used from birth and ideal for children on regular basis. It is the traditionally practiced by mother during massage with oil the baby. Its matra is 2 drop. So Marsh Nasya drop is 2 drop. Now come to the Rakt Mokshan. Shushruta told that Shira Vedhan is the half chikitsa of surgery. In other Shastra, the method of Rakt Mokshan as Shrang, Jaluka, Alabu, Shira Vedhan mentioned. Children have a paripakva dhatu, so it's a first step. This procedure not indicated. If disease is not cured by shaman and other method, then Rakt Mokshan is indicated as in Gudguttan Ajgallika, Nilika, Mukhmandika, or Mukhpak, Charmdal. The Jaloka is the only means for Raktavsechan in pediatrics cases. This is Basti Karm. So now come to the conclusion. Panchkarma is the part of Ayurvedic medicine. It can't be ignored in pediatrics case. The Ayurvedic literature, full description of Panchkarma in pediatrics is available. It is not practiced due to practice exposure along with improper understanding of principle of Panchkarma in pediatrics. So Panchkarma is very important for every age of person, including the pediatrics. So Panchkarma in pediatrics in this session. Hope you like that session and it is beneficial to you. Hope you can understand better than this. And if you have any query, you can ask me in next session. So that's all in this session. Hope you like that session. Thank you. Thank you so much.